Hello and welcome. I'm Hawk from Akasa. In this paper, we'll discuss why existing self-supervised learning methods are struggling when applied to real-world document images and how we can do better. In particular, the research question that we intended to answer is how we can design a self-supervised learning method that produces good downstream detection performance. With only a small fraction of the labeled data, say 3 to 5%, and that is also applicable to document images that differ from natural images from ImageNet or the MS COCO dataset in several aspects. With this question in mind, we introduced the RegCLR framework, which includes an information whitening transformer, which we name it as IWT branch, at the bottom of the mask autoencoder's MAE to minimize this MAE ignore details to a minimum. This is equivalent to adding a set of new constraints to the projected output of the IWT branch, highlighted in blue. Here, I want to provide more conceptual explanations for why RegCLR works in 2 dimensions. Assume we have a set of training samples in blue dots. MAE typically places masked images in yellow dots and finds the boundary between blue and yellow dots. IWT, on the other hand, uses a regularizer term to shrink the boundary. However, RegCLR combines MAE and IWT simultaneously to learn the boundary more efficiently and effectively. For more information on this paper, please visit my personal website here. Thank you for your attention.